Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Angel Liz. So tonight, you guys, I'm doing tempura shrimp, and I just have tempura shrimp and I have some dipping sauce, and I just have a little squirt to drink. Nothing fancy. Just wanted to come and chop it up with y'all about the drama that's going on in these YouTube streets. No, I'm just playing. So how's everybody's weekend? I hope everybody's having a good weekend. I'm hungry, y'all. Just got back home about an hour ago, not even an hour. So I'm hungry. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this. I was supposed to have some cucumbers and left it downstairs, so I ain't even going back. We're going to do this. Sorry, y'all. Camera cut off for some reason. I don't really know why. The phone just straight cut off. Anyways. These are the C-Pack tempura. They're so nice and golden brown. Guess that'll be a good thumbnail. Whatever. Yeah, so y'all, I just feel like people in general are just really crazy. And I feel like people who waste their time worrying about what the next person is doing, I'm not even going to make time for those kind of people. Because, why? Why focus on their negative energy? Why focus on their negative attitude? Don't even give it any attention. So we're going to move on from that. So, if you could change one thing about YouTube, what would it be? Drop me a comment. Let's have a discussion, y'all. If you could change one thing about YouTube, what would you change? For me, I would change the copyright policies. Because I really feel like it's a little strict as a content creator. So I would want to change that. Yeah, that would be the one thing that I would change, because sometimes I understand they don't want you using certain songs as they feel like, well, the artist may want revenue from you using it if your video is making money, but I feel like there should be a way to reach out to that individual artist and ask them, is it okay? Because how much money do your videos really make? Our videos don't make that much money, so why is it a problem? I mean, I know it's more complicated than that, but still. That's what I would change. I will say that I feel like some people shoot themselves in the foot on YouTube, though. Because it's okay to have an unpopular opinion about things. But I think at some point, you kind of have to take a step back, because you could potentially ruin your channel having such a just being so militant about everything. Like, it's okay to have an opinion, it's okay to feel how you want to feel, but some people take stuff too far. And I feel like when you come after bigger channels, you make it hard on yourself, because those channels have a huge fan base. And those people can shut your channel down, because if they wanted to, they could rally to have people stop following you. So why would you? Not if they would, because they ain't focusing on that. They don't have time for that, but I never know. Excuse me. You might catch somebody that has over 100,000 subscribers and you out there talking mess. And all they got to do is say the word. And if y'all have some of the same subscribers, you can see your numbers change for the worse. And I'm just so over the whole, this person stole my challenge and that person didn't give me credit for my challenge, and y'all, stop. And the thing is that people who've been on this platform and have hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers, they don't need to steal your challenges. They don't need to. And the thing is maybe they forgot. Maybe they really didn't know who started the challenge and they just went with it. But you out here campaigning. And I just feel like if you want your channel to be successful, that ain't the way to do it. Excuse me. Anyway, enough about YouTube. I just feel like social media as a whole is getting out of control. And it's sad because so many people use it as something bad, when it could really be something good. But you got people out here using social media to do the most. And why do people make time to be negative? Why do people do that? Why do you have people that sit there and will take the time to follow somebody on every social media platform just to be negative? I think that is so crazy. Or you have people that will follow somebody around, like show up everywhere they are, not on social media, but in real life, just to be crazy with them. I just find that to be so crazy. Ooh, I'm full. I think I had like 16 of these. I think it's like 8 in each pack. I can't get this song out of my head. I was playing Amazon Music the other day at work, and the Pussycat Dolls, Loosen Up My Buttons, came on, y'all. Like, of all the songs, for me to get stuck in my head, that's the beat that I got in my head. I'm like, okay, I need to get my life together. But anyways, and you guys know I love to laugh. I love comedy. There's a comedian, her name is Katie. It's Khadi on Instagram. Hilarious. And I actually came across her video on Kev on Stage on his Instagram. So I posted her video in my story, and I tagged her in it. Y'all, go watch that video. Because here's the thing. I love people that kind of think the same way. And because you know the song with Alicia Keys, Diary, it sounded like a singing competition at the end. Like homeboy was straight trying to out-sing her, right? But it's so funny how this comedian did the video. It's hilarious. Y'all gotta go watch it. It's too funny. This homeboy wasn't playing no games, okay? He was really singing. But when you see her video, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's too funny. I'm getting full, y'all. I only got 3 left, but I'm going to finish them. Because I always come on here eating and don't never finish my food. I got this light a little bright. Let me stop. I'm not going to sing those lyrics, but I swear they in my head. got the lights up right. I can't see the time. Yeah, I'm getting full, so I'm trying to like, I'm full and I'm sleepy. That's a bad combination when you're in front of the camera, full and sleepy. But these were really good. And they don't have a lot of bread on them, which I like because sometimes I've bought them before and they had too much bread. I finished. See, I cleaned my plate. But you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about what's going on with all the YouTube buffoonery that's happening, all the malarkey and tomfoolery. Let me know what you think of it, and let me know, like, do you feel that YouTubers should come after each other if someone forgets to shout somebody out or forgets to acknowledge that someone started? Excuse me. Ooh. Let me know if you feel that YouTubers should call each other out if somebody forgot to acknowledge that someone started something that they're doing on their channel. But until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.